What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Rishi Abhijit and today we will build a brand new skateboard worth rupees 14,000. I have brand new everything like deck, truck, wheels and bearings. So this is Piso's deck, 7-ply Canadian maple wood with Piso's Griptape on it. I got this deck for rupees 2,300 and Griptape for 400 rupees. And this is Thunder Hollow Light Trucks 149mm. This truck is lightweight and ultra responsive. I got this truck for rupees 5,000. This is Spitfire Formula 4 OG Classics wheels 54mm which costs me 4,500 rupees. And this is Spitfire Classics bearing ABEC 5 which cost me 1,900 rupees. This is Skateboard hardware nuts bolts which I got for 200 rupees. Alright, so let's start. If you want to set up a new skateboard, you need this T tool.